Here is an update on the Jeep project since we had the timing chain skip. The engine's being torn down here, timing covers off, and both tensioners are extended quite a bit. I think when it lost oil pressure briefly, maybe coming down from some revs, that's when everything shifted. Just to be sure, I took both cylinder heads back off, checked the underside of them, and made sure we didn't have any witness marks where the valves hit themselves or the valves hit the pistons. And while I didn't see anything, I wasn't going to chance it. So they all got spun in their bores to make sure the stems weren't bent. Then I cleaned up the pistons, and I didn't see any dents where they would have hit the pistons. We went ahead and did some valve cleaning, and I went ahead and lapped the valves in their respective spots just to be sure they were sealing properly. We don't have a ton of margin left on these, so I doubt that could be done again, but just in case, everything got ground and lapped to the cylinder heads. Here's a photo of all of the valve stem seals still being installed and me putting them back together. I got you a new set of head gaskets. So these are brand new, not reused from the previous install. And then I cleaned off the engine after everything was put back together and made sure everything was super flushed out, super nice. We got guides, chains, and tensioners in a kit. And then I went ahead and installed everything right with the all data procedure and a couple of videos on YouTube. Here's the links being marked and put to the cams. That's both cylinder head camshafts lined up perfectly. And then I used a mirror several times and my phone to make sure that the crankshaft and the idler sprocket were where they needed to be as well. I went ahead and made sure the gold links correspond to the arrows. So each tooth section of the idler is got the line in it going to the gold links. And look how much shorter the tensioners have to extend now. Both of them were way shorter than previous, which makes me feel good about this thing now having a non-stress timing chain. And before, these could flop around quite a bit, but they are taut with the timing tool still installed, so that made me feel better about this thing staying together as well. I went ahead and double checked everything and made sure, again, the sprocket's where it should be and the crank is where it should be in top dead center. We went ahead and verified that all the gaskets worked correctly, and then all of those bosses on the timing cover got RTV'd and sealed. They got vacuum filled, and this is just the premium Prestone coolant, however. And then once oil and coolant got topped off, I went ahead and started the Jeep up and hot dogs there, and just to make sure everything was staying together. And so far so good. Nothing crazy, nothing smoking. So that part of it is completed.